Journey of a Sweater, a story about fast fashion. Under the bright lights of a clothing store, a brand new sweater hangs by the wall. It is soft, stylish, and very cheap. A shopper sees it and thinks it would be great to wear, but the sweater has traveled a long way to get here. The story of the sweater starts in a big factory in a faraway country. Workers make the fabric from polyester, a material that comes from oil. They cut and sew the fabric into sweaters. Then, the sweaters are packed in plastic and put on big ships. These ships travel across the ocean, creating pollution along the way. When the sweaters arrive, they are sent to warehouses and then to stores. Many people buy the clothes quickly because they are cheap. Instead of buying one sweater, they might buy a few, since the price is so low. But cheap clothes do not last long. People today buy 60% more clothes than they did 20 years ago, but they do not keep them as long. After wearing the sweater a few times, the shopper may get bored of it or notice that it's not as nice anymore. It gets pushed to the back of the closet and forgotten. 1 year later, the sweater is thrown away along with many other clothes. 3 out of 5 fast fashion items end up in the trash. The sweater, made from plastic-like material, does not break down easily. It sits in a landfill for many, many years. Today, about 9% of all trash in landfills is old clothes, and this number is growing. The sweater also caused pollution while being made and shipped. The plastic bags, tags, and other packaging it came with are now waste too. The cycle continues as more sweaters are made, shipped, bought, and thrown away. But what if things were different? What if the sweater was made to last? What if people took better care of their clothes and bought fewer items? The sweater may be gone, but its impact stays. The choices we make when we buy clothes affect the world around us. To learn more about the impact of our clothes on the environment, visit divertns.ca/learn and download the lesson plan Textile Waste, the impact of what we wear.